Hey guys, it's Randomly Epic. In this video, I'm gonna unbox and review the Realme Buds Q. So without any further delay, let's get into it. The Realme Buds Q comes in this matte finished yellow box, and in the front side of the box, the picture of the earbuds is given and it resembles the exact size of the earbuds. Coming to the back side of the box, the specifications are given here. First, it says 20 hours long battery life, 10 mm bass boost driver, 119 ms super low latency. This helps for the gamers out there. Next, there is an instant connection because of the Bluetooth 5. Next, it says 3.6 grams ultra light body, which is lighter than an A4 sheet paper. It is designed by Jose Levy. He is the co-designer of Hermes. It says that it works with the Realme Link app. Now let's unbox and see what's inside. The things that are inside the box are the Realme Buds Q, instructions, safety information and warranty, a micro USB charging cable and some additional ear tips. Now let's come to the earbuds. The variant I'm having is a quite black color. It also comes in two more colors, which is quite yellow and quite white. Let's unwrap the color. The case gives a premium look and a compact feel. Let's open it. There are the two buds and a film is covering the touch control. Let's peel them off. The buds looks really cool. Let's have a closer look on the buds. There is a touch control in the front and at the back there is a mic. Because of the magnets, the buds snaps right into the case and holds tightly, so it won't fall down. While closing the case, it gives a satisfying sound, which is pretty satisfying. Now I'm gonna pair the buds to my phone, so if I press and hold the touch sensor for 5 seconds, it instantly gets into the pairing mode. As you can see, now it's paired with my phone. The Realme Buds Q supports the all-new Realme Link app, which adds Buds Q to Realme's AIoT ecosystem. Open the app and you're free to customize the touch controls of your Buds Q. The round shape of the cobble is a perfect fit for your ear. Comfort even when you're wearing for a long time. Even with its small size, each buds have 40 mAh built-in battery, together with a large 400 mAh battery in the charging case. The Realme Buds Q has up to 20 hours of battery life, which can easily allow all-day use. 4.5 hours of single continuous music listening time, 5 hours of single continuous gaming time, 3 hours of single continuous calling time, and 6 hours of single continuous video watching time. The Realme Buds Q features a 10 mm large dynamic bass boost driver with a premium special polymer composite diaphragm. The Realme Buds Q comes with a powerful R1Q chip that supports the Bluetooth 5 technology. Therefore, the Realme Buds Q also features IPX4 water resistance to prevent sweat and rain from damaging the device, giving you a full sense of reliability. There is an LED indicator in front of the charging case, which is red while charging and green when fully charged. For your satisfaction, I'm gonna play an audio sample for you guys. The price of the Realme Buds Q is £29.99 sterling. Overall, the Realme Buds Q is a pretty good decent buy. If you want to purchase one, link is given in the description box below. Thanks for watching the video.
A lot of you who watch my videos are not subscribed, so hit the subscribe button to get notified for every time I post.